Hello and welcome to our video on what is a proxy in cybersecurity. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about proxies, how they work, and how they help keep you secure online. First, let's start with the basics. A proxy is an intermediary server that sits between you and the internet. When you request a web page or download a file, your request is first sent to the proxy server. The proxy server then sends the request to the internet on your behalf, and when the response comes back, it is sent to you through the proxy. Now, why use a proxy? Proxies can provide several benefits, including anonymity, privacy, and security. For example, if you use a proxy server to access a website, the website will only see the IP address of the proxy server and not your actual IP address. This can help protect your identity and keep your online activities private. Proxies can also help protect against cyber attacks. Many proxies have built-in security features, such as firewalls, that can help block malicious traffic and keep your network secure. Some proxies also have the ability to inspect web traffic and filter out any malicious or unwanted content before it reaches your computer. But there are also some downsides to using a proxy. For example, proxies can slow down your internet connection, as all requests and responses have to pass through the proxy server. Additionally, not all proxies are created equal, and some may not provide the security or privacy benefits you are looking for. So, how do you choose the right proxy? There are several factors to consider, including the type of proxy, its location, and its security features. Some popular types of proxies include HTTP proxies, SOCKS proxies, and VPNs. Each type of proxy has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your needs. When choosing a proxy, it's also important to consider its location. If you're accessing content that's only available in a certain geographic location, you may need a proxy server in that location to access it. Additionally, you may want to choose a proxy server that's located in a country with strong data privacy laws to help protect your information. Finally, it's important to consider the security features of the proxy. Look for proxies that have built-in firewalls, malware protection, and other security features to help keep your network secure. In conclusion, proxies can be a powerful tool for protecting your privacy and security online. By understanding how proxies work and choosing the right one for your needs, you can enjoy a safer and more private online experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips and tricks.